Welcome to Parsimony, your all-in-one business management solution. In this tutorial, we'll explore the General Ledger tool in Parsimony.
By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to generate and analyze financial reports using the General Ledger tool. Let's start by navigating to the General Ledger module in the Parsimony dashboard.
Click on the General Ledger module to access the necessary functions.
The General Ledger module is at the core of your financial management in Parsimony. It allows you to track and analyze all your organization's financial transactions.
It also provides a more detailed view of individual transactions.
Set the parameters for the report, such as the start and end dates, accounts, and other relevant filters. Once the parameters are set, click on the Generate Report button to create the General Ledger report.
The report will now be generated, displaying the individual transactions with all relevant details. If you need to download the report, you can click on the Download Report or PDF option if your desired format is PDF. If you need to export the report, you can click on the Export option and choose your desired format, either Excel or CSV. The report will be downloaded or saved in the chosen file format, allowing you to share or further analyze the data. Besides the General Ledger report, Parsimony offers various other reports like trial balance, income statement, and balance sheet. These reports provide a comprehensive view of your organization's financial health. Congratulations! You've successfully explored the General Ledger report tool in Parsimony. Now you can generate and analyze financial reports to gain valuable insights into your organization's finances. Thank you for watching this tutorial.